Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday I was chatting to an old friend of mine who's recently lost his father to cancer, as did I, in fact. One of the things he said to me really struck me because he was commenting on the way people talk about cancer and how much he hates it. He said that he'd had enough of people saying to him, "I'm so sorry to hear your dad lost his battle with cancer." Because what this does is it kind of suggests that if only he'd fought harder, he might have been able to win that battle. And as my friend said, this is akin to blaming the person who's just died. If you say one thing is akin to another, you mean it's very similar to it, it's like it bears a lot of resemblances to it. So, as many of you will know, losing a family pet, especially a family pet that's been with you for many, many years, is akin to losing a family member. Maybe you've managed to sit through a terrible movie that was really painful to watch, and when someone asks you afterwards what you thought of it, you might comment by saying, really, watching that film was akin to having your teeth pulled out. Maybe you live in a country where governments bring in draconian new legislation that basically makes peaceful protest akin to domestic terrorism. And maybe you've been in situations where someone who thinks they're desperately in love with you comes to you crying, telling you that they have to be with you or their life isn't worth living. And you like this person, maybe you've been friends with them, but what you feel at that moment is more akin to pity than love. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use akin to.